Hello. Fish and chips. Yes, thank you.
Hot, fresh and tasty. Fish and chips for a Friday with some carrots on the side. At Norwich Community Hospital, they're getting it right. But Arlene Meekins has had some very different experiences elsewhere.
They'd come to do a dressing on my legs and the food was left there and I said, well, it's cold. Can you heat it? They said, no, we'll put a lid on it, but they don't say hot, but here, that's lovely.
And it's not just a matter of temperature. This greasy slop served at one hospital was supposed to be chicken soup, while the patient served this dismal meal said it was actually one of the better offerings. Now, new standards will put pressure on NHS trusts to make sure people are getting the food they need to recover. The new rules mean that patients will be checked as they arrive to see if they're malnourished, given an individual food plan, and will receive help where necessary with eating and drinking. The meals must also be healthy and meet guidelines on salt, sugar and fat, and there must also be a good choice.
Do you want me to give you a hand, Irene?
At this hospital, all of that is already happening.
We make sure that there is a quiet hour around meal times where nurses are able to sit and focus on meals and food and making sure that each patient gets a good meal in a timely way and that it's attractive and at a good temperature.
It's an example of good practice that's been included in the guidelines. The 5 standards deemed most important are being included in the NHS contract, which will make them legally binding. But there are critics who say the government should have gone further, introducing legislation to make sure patients all get a good, healthy, high-quality meal.
The standards being advocated by the government are weak. They reflect what's already really being done in hospitals. We wanted ambitious standards to stretch hospitals and push them towards really improving patient meals.
Those that do fail their patients will have nowhere to hide. For the first time, hospitals are being ranked on food quality, with the results published online for all to see. Emma Birchley, Sky News, Norwich.